Hello everybody. What's up guys? So I'm on my way to Sukat now. I'm on my way to look at a showroom. So here's the pictures of the bike that I'm talking about. So this bike, long story short, I saw it on Facebook and I was like, wow, that looked good. And there was a stickers writing Russi gentleman. And I told myself, I remember I shared a post and I said, if Russi sell the bike like this, I will probably buy one. It's a 250cc. It's very good looking. Anyway, long story short, later, a few weeks later, I saw that brand Motostrada that I didn't hear about it before. So I started to look at it. I saw the inside racing, but I didn't pay attention. Makina mentioned it. I started to watch what bike they had, and I saw the bike. Then it was in pictures writing Russi gentleman, 250cc, exactly the same. So they're selling it. So now I'm on my way to have a look at it, just to check it out, check out that new brand. So we're on Sukat here. Paragnaghe. Hello. So for those who knows, is Air Force One. It's a KTV, I think so. That's what my wife told me. I've never been there. Air Force One. Together we will fly, of course. That's what they say. So there's a Caltex station, petrol station, and Motostrada is here. So let's have a look together, see what bike they have. They open, you see. So let's check it out. Is nobody there? Somebody there? Hello, somebody there. So this is the 200. Where is it? 99,200cc. This one is the 400. 209. 209. Expressway. Very good. This one is 110? 150? Okay. How much is it? 68. Okay. Not bad. GTR. How many cc is this one? 150. Oh, look big. How much is it? Vista. Yes. Oh, Vista. 92. Okay. This one look like the Mabiris before Yamaha. This one 125? 125? 150? Oh. Ah, okay. This is electric? Electric one. Thank you. This one? This one? Yes, sir. 115. How much is this one? Okay, it's 46. It looked quite nice, this one. I can put in the car. How much is this? This one is 29 or 33. And this one? Don't know yet. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Shit. The 400 look good. I just put this in my thing. The 400 look good. Very big, very big. You look like a Duke 390 kind of. So the 250 wasn't there, the one I wanted to check it out. I'll go to Calocan, I guess. They have a shop in Calocan. This is just like the showroom, but the main shop is in Calocan. So I guess I'll just contact them and try to find a day to go there. I'm really interested into this brand. I'd like to try it, basically. That's my main thing. I would like to review some motorcycle more and more. I might get another bike to oh, Korea. So I'd like to review more motorcycle. I might get something on the way. I just want to be sure, and then I can tell people I will get, you know what I mean? Because I don't want to tell you that I will get this one and then I don't get anything. But yeah, this one look good, the bike look good, the price are very attractive, especially for the 400. It's a 209 for 400cc. So if you're in the market to look for big bike, might be the one to start with. Dominar is 165. It's more a bit cheaper, but yeah, woohoo, bumpy. So things to look at. It's always good to see a new brand. So I will see how it goes. At least now I have all the price and all the. There's some spec also on it that I couldn't find anywhere. So yeah, let's walk it out.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my